Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. This time I'm going to introduce items from IKEA that you should buy. Items that significantly enhance your quality of life. I'll be showcasing items I bought from IKEA that made life more convenient or comfortable. Also, I conducted a survey on Instagram stories where many of you shared your recommendations. I received a lot of photos this time, so I'd like to introduce those as well. There are so many items that make me think, wow, genius! So please watch until the end. I asked, what IKEA items have enhanced your quality of life? When categorizing the responses, lighting was the most popular. IKEA has a variety of affordable lighting options. Here is a floor lamp. Even I received photos of it being used. This floor lamp has a lovely sheer flail that adds a cute touch. It's characterized by its soft light. It has quite a presence, doesn't it? Here's a photo that was sent to me. It's the ISJAKT floor lamp. I was so impressed by its sophisticated look that it almost took my breath away. The minimalist design is just irresistible. By the way, in the USA, IKEA offers free delivery on orders over $50 for small items under £50. So, even if you live far away, don't give up. You can order it online. Next is a portable light called NÖDMAST. It seems like the stock has been replenished recently. Thank you for making this image with text on it. I use this as well, and it's hard to believe it's battery operated. Charging is also easy and it's quite bright. The mushroom-like shape is adorable. Next is this clip-on light. Here's a photo that was sent. This is the NÄVLINGE. It looks so chic, doesn't it? I thought it would be nice to use it to highlight plants. Another example of a clip-on light usage that I'd like to showcase. I recently had a chance to visit home of visual consultant Eiri Notoya. As expected from a pro, the space was amazing, and she used an IKEA clip-on light in her kitchen. The kitchen was unified with black, which matched the interior perfectly. Another item many of you mentioned was the TRÅDFRI smart light bulbs. This is IKEA's line of smart bulbs. I received both photos and comments from different people. Some use them in the bedroom and others in the dining room. In my home, I use them in the bedroom and the kids' room. Actually, in other places too. The bulbs come in various types, but I highly recommend the adjustable ones that let you change both the color and brightness. You can set it to a white light for studying or a warm light for relaxing, making it very versatile. This is a nightlight that amazed me. It looks great just sitting there. So I went and bought it. This product has been around for quite a while. It's a nightlight with a motion sensor. It turns off automatically after 10 seconds. The design is sleek, isn't it? Oh, it uses screws, which is a bit of hassle. It uses their AAA rechargeable batteries. I placed it by my bed, and it seems handy for late-night trips to the bathroom. It's brighter than I expected. And the response is quite good. The fact that it turns off in 10 seconds is also nice. Next, let's move on to the kitchen items. First, a thermos that I was recommended. I thought its size would make it hard to store, but after seeing this person's photo, I realized it's cute enough to leave out on display. Its design is very stylish. Being white, it matches well with other dishware. It holds a generous 1.6 liters. However, it's labeled as hand wash only. Next is a mini tongue. I love this too. Commented it makes cooking so much easier, and I completely agree. The plastic tip is great because it doesn't tear meat. Next is this hook for hanging bananas. Isn't this amazing? I never thought I'd be able to hang bananas. Next, we'll move on to storage items. Storage was also a popular category. There were many comments about KALLAX. This one here is also KALLAX. BESTÅ is the name of this storage series, and it's very popular at IKEA. There are many sizes and design options, so you can customize it as you like. Here, someone shared before and after photos. By making the TV stand a wall-mounted BESTÅ, it made the room feel more spacious. Personally, I recommend the white version, as it blends well with walls. In this room setup, they added legs to it. This person recommended EKET. I absolutely love this space. The mirror, the portable light. I want to copy everything. EKET has a shallower depth than BESTÅ, making it a great option for those looking for something compact. Next is the ELLOVEN monitor stand. I use it in my kitchen like this, but someone else used it as an accessory organizer. Isn't that genius? They used 100 yen store trays inside. That's brilliant! I received a photo of a stylish space under the stairs. This is a metal cabinet, and its thin lines make it look very light. The asymmetrical doors add a nice touch. Next is the cart. I received many comments saying it's a cart. I wasn't sure which one exactly, but when you think of IKEA, it's likely the RÅSKOG cart. In Japan, the NISSAFORS cart is on special, with a 25% discount. I bought it, so I'll introduce it in the next video. I have a new idea I want to try with it. Please tune in to the next video. I mentioned this briefly last time, but here's the VARIERA pot lid organizer. Someone had the idea of using it as a toilet paper holder, and they sent in a photo. It fits the space perfectly. I'm jealous of that wall space. I received feedback on the NEREBY rail being installed at the entrance. I used it at my entrance for a while as well. It's rental friendly, so you can install it easily. For installation, please check out the related video. The price for such cuteness is amazing. Its shallow depth makes it perfect for small entrances. Next up, someone mentioned using the TROFAST storage in the pantry. Since they mentioned it's easy to see the contents, I assume they're using the mesh baskets. These mesh baskets are durable and easy to use. This is the HOLMERUD side table, and I received a lovely photo of it. The dark brown color gives it a very high-end look. I use an oak-style one. It seems like anything displayed on it looks stylish. I received a photo combining the ENUDDEN door hanger with the KOMPLEMENT hangers. It's impressive. Just looking at it is satisfying. As for this hanger, I, personally, had a hard time with it. I found it difficult to balance things, but if you are good at organizing, it's great. The ENUDDEN door hanger is very useful with its sleek, simple design. However, it can sometimes be a bit hard to reach, so I combine it with the Milheden memo board. If it flaps around too much, I use something like sticky putty to hold it in place. This helps utilize the space behind doors effectively, making it a great option. It's easy for kids to hang things on it. Alright, next up is sofa. There were many mentions of SÖDERHAMN. Every time I realize how popular SÖDERHAMN is. The price has recently gone down, making it even more affordable. SÖDERHAMN has a deep seat, which makes it great for relaxing. This person bought the chaise option, which lets you stretch out. I envy them, space-wise. Next up, many people also mention stools. IKEA has various stools, but the SKOGSTA series is particularly popular. It's used for placing things like humidifiers. It seems like the smaller one is the only one available online, possibly because the larger one was discontinued. I also use it for displays. It's a great value for the price. I received comments from 3 people about the PERJOHAN bench. One person used it more like a shelf. Another used it as a dining bench. It's stable enough to hold large books like this. Maybe this should have been in the storage section, but I received a stylish photo of the Fagning magazine file, so chic. It's recommended even as temporary document holder as it looks stylish. It's very popular and seems to be in short supply. Next, let's move on to bathroom items. First up is the TOFTBO bath mat. It's only a few hundred yen, but it's incredibly useful. I love its absorbency. A surprising mention was the BROGRUND towel holder, recommended by 2 people. It's stainless steel and very simple. It's also extendable. I really want this too. Thank you all for your many responses. I apologize for the brief group thank you, but I'm very grateful for the wonderful photos. In the next video, I'll be introducing many new products I've purchased. If there are other recommended products, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.